Hello everyone. This printer is HP Deskjet 2910. I'm going to show you how to reset this printer. If you want to reset the network, you need to press and hold the cancel and Wi-Fi button together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then you release it. Then press the Wi-Fi button. Now this printer is in a wireless mode. It's no longer connected to wireless network. When it was connected, it will show printer is online, but now it's showing us offline. So this is how to reset this printer. So if you want to reconnect the printer back to the network, you need to press Wi-Fi and cancel button together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then release it, and the Wi-Fi light is now flashing intermittently. Then go to HP Smart App on your laptop, add a device. It's going to search for available device. HP Deskjet 2900 series. Select Setup. Time to set up and manage your printer. Then you select Continue. Access Wi-Fi for the following password. Then you select No, thank you. So I'm going to put the details for the network. Then after you put the passwords, then select Connect. Printer is found. Press the flashing information button. Go to the printer, then press this button once. If you look on the printer, the Wi-Fi light is still flashing and it's now connected. It's steady light. And if you look, it will show you printer configured. So the next is joining the network. Printer connected to wireless network. Then you select Continue. And this is the printer, and this is the ink level. So another way to reset this printer completely, then go to Printer Settings, go to Advanced Settings. It will show you HP Deskjet 2900 series all-in-one printer, embedded web server. So we want to reset this printer completely. To restore the factory default setting, go to Settings. It will ask you for you to put PIN, but it's not compulsory. I'm going to cancel submitting PIN. Then from this, select Restore Defaults, Restore Factory Defaults, Restore Network Settings, or HP Secure Erase. So select Restore Factory Defaults. Then you go to the printer and put the PIN. Then type the PIN. Then select Submit. Then once you select Submit, select Restore Factory Default. Click Restore Factory Default to restore the printer setting. Setting that has been configured in the printer will be deleted, and the original factory settings for the printer will be restored. Then select Restore Factory Default Setting. Then select Yes. Restoring default setting. This process will take several minutes. So if you look on the printer, it will show you the wireless network will start highlighting. So the ink cartridges will show you the ink. We got ink cartridges in the printer. So this is how to restore factory default setting. And it will show you a good mark. Factory default setting has been successfully restored. So this is how to restore factory default setting. Then you select OK. Thank you very much indeed.